Hello everyone, I am Divesh, CSE department, and our team comprises of myself, Mugilarasan CSE department, and Dharnidharan CSE department. We are guided throughout our project by Mr. S. Raj Kamal, Assistant Professor CSE. Our project title is Evaluation Framework for Feedback System using Kiosk, and our software name is Makkal Kurai Tirkum Pettagam. This is the pilot project developed for our district police department to ensure the safety of the users. We have chosen this project because we feel that in this world of digitalization, the need of kiosk applications are tremendous and unavoidable. Every kind of information are accessed remotely, and thus it must ensure the privacy of the user's data. We have fabricated the kiosk application to ensure the safety of the users through various modules, reduce the recommend communication gap between the cops and the common people. Next is interaction. As we mentioned already, world of digitalization signifies the field of automation and mobility. We expect every work to be done by the machines in a remote manner, faster, and also to be done in efficient manner. The kiosk application can withstand our expectation and perform in a faster and efficient manner. Kiosk applications are mostly preferred and users of a website. A touch-based interactive information system called Kiosk. Such systems are very useful in providing information based on user feedback. These systems are usually found in places like airports, business centers, banks, universities, and other places. A feedback system is a tool which is used to increase the performance of the organization. This system helps to locate the problem areas in the organization. It provides fewer efforts in manual work. This is effective tools to resolve complaints in specific time constraints. Feedback system is useful for complaint tracking. This system works using internet. This system works in two modules where user can post their complaint along with uploading the video, and it is resolved by responsible authority. This system will reduce the burden for paperwork in many cases, and in turn it will improve the efficiency of the existing system. The next slide is abstract. The feedback system is the backbone of any organization which helps in research and development department to proliferate their services and enhance their reputation. Kiosk is one such feedback system developed for police department for recognizing their affirmatives and negatives, to felicitate their actions and retard their negatives, and to provide better communication and interaction between common people and the police department. Kiosk technology utilizes touch-based interfaces to ease the access interaction for the petitioners. This automated kiosk acquires embodied intelligent agents to interview the petitioners to enhance their feedbacks. The centralized feedback system is essential in most of the organizations to elevate their perspectives and define a reasonable solution for various problems. The kiosk system gets the feedback in video format from the petitioner and send it to the central database from their device. Then it generates an equivalent report based on entire feedbacks received and visualize it to the admin. The functionalities in these module include information collection as contact details, locations, photo or video, categorization of cops, feedback generations, feedback collections, and report generation. These are the some of the literature survey of our feedback system, evaluation of feedback kiosk system in teaching hospital, and second one complaining customers as innovation contributors, and analysis of online customer complaints implication for web complaint management, the study of customer complaints management based on system dynamics modeling and simulation. In existing system, in current system, complaints can be written in complaints book, and it was time consuming process. Sometimes there should be problem that responsible people did not resolve the complaints on time, and higher authorities don't have idea about it. In existing system, the complaints getting manually in the form of written statement from the petitioner, and further investigation done based upon the petitioner's written statement. I'll just list out some of the disadvantages in the existing system, such as more manual efforts, require more time for process, takes up a lot of space, prone to damage, being misplaced, and lack of security. In proposed system, I just find a solution for existing systems. One, user friendly. Second, complaint tracking functionality, and it is easy to maintain. It reduces the time. The advantages in proposed systems are it reduces lots of space, avoid misplaced data, less access time, and it has high security. And this is the flowchart of our proposed system. You can see in the left side the start and get mobile number, choose subdivisions and choose police station, select police personnel, post complaint, give rating. These are the user side. And in admin side, you can see it in right side, that is the admin part. Notification to responsible authorities and review the complaints, whether the complaint will be solved or not. If it is yes, then a notification to both the parties. If it is no, then reason for not resolving, complaint solved, and inform to higher authorities, and action taken by higher authorities. Finally, the complaint will be solved. And this is the system architecture of our system. Yes, several aspects have been explored. When designing, it has been made sure that the system is clean, minimal, and easy to read. Local test environment with all required applications and servers have been set up. Packages such as WAM server with all required configuration, PHP 5, several PHP modules, etc. have also been set up. MySQL has been installed to serve the database requirement. And this is the system specifications for our feedback system. Hardware requirements such as i5, i3 processor we need, and RAM we need 4 GB and 8 GB, 4 GB or 8 GB, and system free space minimum 15 GB we need. For screen we use IR panel. IR panel we use because in the sense of we are using kiosk, it is for touch purpose we use IR panel. And software requirements, WAM server we use. Programming language, front end we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and for functioning backend purpose we use PHP. Database we use MySQL, and we use Bomni TTF font for Tamil purpose. Operating system we use Windows 7 to 8, which is available. We can use that. And module description, we have two modules. One is the admin module and another one is user module. In admin module, the role of admin can view the report, add different region or location to the system, create police station list, and add police personnel, and manage information about the police personnel, so like add, update, delete, etc. And we can generate the report. In user module, user can enter the mobile numbers and choose their locations and choose the police station, select the police personnel, and verify the information and submit the complaint or feedback through video. And finally, user can provide the rating for the selected police person. In implementation, you can see the screenshot one. This is our home page screen. The screenshot one displays the articles and resources coming from the various sections, and underneath it shows the start button in home section. When a user enter into that system, user details section will come. In the user needs to access the system by entering a mobile number and location. When user enter their details, they can allow to access the system. Screenshot 2, it displays the text box which is used to get the mobile number from the user. And the screenshot 3, it displays the different subdivisions of Tiruvannamalai districts. User can choose the region or location from which they can arrive. And once they enter into the police station section, this section contains a list of police stations with radio buttons showing different stations in Tiruvannamalai district. When the user selects the station located in the region, it will take him to the particular station page. You can see that in station 4, it lists out the police station which is located in Tiruvannamalai subdivisions. And after that, user select the police station. User can choose the police personnel in which to whom the user will give the complaint. User can select that police personnel. In this page, user has list of police personnel, image added with name, grade, submit button. Once the user click on the submit button, the user will get the preview of the selection. You can see the preview of the selection, what are all the users made so far. This section contains the information about the user details and police personal details, which is selected by the public petitioner. And this is the main page section of our feedback system. This section provides the user to give complaint or feedback about the police personnel through video. The user can provide the feedback or complaint about the case or general feedback it relates to the police personnel who handles the case for the particular user. You can see that in screenshot 7. And after the user give the complaint or feedback about the police, then this section provides the user to rate the police personnel for the work in a particular case of the user. You can see it in screenshot 8. Our future enhancement. Some of the future enhancements which can serve better than this system and assist the police department in an efficient manner includes enable mobile version of the system to ease the access and provide acknowledgement for every petitioner to record their activities through SMS or mail. And conclusion, the kiosk feedback system was initiated to serve all the petitioner or public to withstand their statements regarding the services provided towards them. The public can record their affirmatives towards any particular cop who assisted in their cases or record complaint against them if they fail to provide any required service or unable to satisfy them. The kiosk feedback system can persist its functionalities for both public and higher officials of the police department to maintain and monitor their subordinates. Through this, they can provide a better and efficient service in the future and help the common people in a proliferative manner. Here are the references of our feedback system. You can see that. And this is the project appreciation letter. Actually, our Arun College team members were appreciated by Thiru Emma Sibi Chakravarti IPS for initiating a pilot project of feedback system to Tirunelveli District Police. Thank you, sir. And here you can, I just record our output as a video. You can see that, yes, sir. This is the project output video, sir. Once user enter into the system by clicking the button, then user want to enter their mobile number. Here user can enter their mobile number. If they submit enter number just typing 9 numbers, it will not accept. We just set the consent. Only user enter the 10 numbers, then only it will accept. After enter the mobile number, it will enter into the location page that the user want to select the location from where he or she arrived.
Sorry, I have one question.
Sir? Yes, sir.
I have one question. Actually,
Yes,
we
sir.
are entering mobile number, right?
Yes, sir.
So only you are validating 9 numbers or 10 numbers. But
Sir, exactly 10 numbers, then only it will validate, sir. Otherwise, it will.
I'm asking in what sense means. Why can't we validate through OTP? Because through that only we are going to communicate to him, right?
Yes, sir.
Mainly, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking why can't
Yes,
we
sir.
give
Yes, sir. We can add that also, sir. We can use OTP method also, sir.
We are just validating number of digits, right? But
Yes,
maybe
sir.
they
Yes,
may
sir.
give wrong numbers or whatever the thing is. That time, why can't we include OTP? Is that possible, right?
Sir, yes, sir. That one is possible, sir. But why can't we include means in case of any network issues or we can't get the OTP at the time, then user can't enter into the system and can't submit their feedback, sir. And another one thing is uh, that getting mobile number, but it is good one, sir. We can use it in future, sir.
Most of the cases, the police can't go and directly go and check over their locations, right? Whatever the
Yes,
location
sir.
they share, we can go. But first of all, they will make a call to that particular complainant, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just asking, if it's so, now you can
Okay, okay. Okay,
complete.
sir. We will add it in future. Definitely, we will add that, sir.
One more thing is that any other existing web application or mobile application is not available like this for complaint process?
No, sir. They are doing only manual work, sir. By using paperwork only, sir. They are getting complaints through and they register in complaint book only, sir.
Okay. No, have you aware of or you know clearly there is no web application for collecting the complaints
Sir,
or
actually, having sir some online, we can complain through online, sir. But it is one future what we add means user can send it through video form, sir. And it is not for general complaint purpose. Mainly police person, sir. It is complaining about police person. If the police person not properly respond to the user, I mean petitioners, then your petitioners come and inform your means it will only see review by higher officials, sir, not lower cadre, sir.
okay, second time you are going for that particular action is not taken. The second time if you want to
Yes, sir.
go,
First, initially we go to police station, sir. If the police personnel not properly respond to the petitioner or user, then we can complain the police personnel, that particular police personnel, yes, sir, using this PR system. This is not like general complaint feedback system, sir. This is only for complaining the police personnel to the higher authorities, sir. Like I just giving complaint, but that police personnel not properly giving response to me means, then we can complain this. This will be analyzed only by the higher officials, sir, not the lower people, sir.
okay, can you give me any examples for mobile or web applications? Have you gone through that already existing web applications or mobile applications?
Like this complaint feedback, sir.
Collecting our complaint feedbacks.
Yes, sir. We have cybercrime online complaints. We have, sir.
Is available. Okay.
Mobile
Mobile
application we can
application.
available, sir. Actually, it is for all over India, sir. We can complain through that. If any cyber issues or cyber bullying it will happen, then we can complain through that link, and it will be go to the police station, and the responsible people will be taken action for that, sir. It is available, sir. What my software is different from that means it is mainly complaint to higher officials about the police personnel, sir. That I just complained, but this police person will not take my case in proper way. Like that, we can complain to higher officials directly, sir.
Okay. Okay, great.
And answer. Here you can see that user want to choose the location, and here user want to choose the police station which is available in that particular location. Once the user enter into that, it will list the list of police persons who are all available in that station, and we can submit the particular select the police person to whom we give the complaint. We can select that particular police person, and we just click the Samarpitam button, sir.
Okay.
Once we enter, we can verify the details. If it is right, then we go to next page. Yeah, in video page, we can record our video, sir.
Okay.
Here you can review what we talk. We can review that, sir. And in this page, we can rate the police person, sir. For example, if any police person not properly give response to our case, then we can give a low rate. If he is good, then we can give a higher rate, like that, sir. That's it, sir. Once they submitted, this will be viewed by admin, sir.
Okay. 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 Thank you.